So, I mean, I think if you were to devote even 5 to 10 minutes a day of stretching the areas that are tight, and again, this is very individual. Like one thing that I always stressed, even when I was in baseball, every player from me got an individual program. And it was based off of a comprehensive assessment. So I would go through the assessment of each player, and you would find that either based on position, um, and the demands of that position, body type, you would find certain requirements of a program that needed to be in place to maintain optimal health. You would get tight in certain areas. You would have things that would need to be strengthened more than others. People have to be willing to A, seek out where the deficits are, and B, to actually pursue a program that would work on those deficits. And then when you have that, again, the comprehensive list doesn't have to be an hour a day of doing those things. You prioritize that list and you focus on 5 to 10 minutes of extra work with it. It's funny, I make a lot of videos on, hey, do this every morning, do that every morning, do this every morning, but it's only appropriate to the people that have the deficits that I highlight in the video.
Mhm.
People think they have to combine all of those things into a whole separate career in order to be able to pull them off. That's not necessary. You find the ones that have the biggest impact. But I don't think that doing stretching requires long duration of these things. It just simply requires consistency of them.